Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.
Here's your weather video for this Sunday, December the 8th. I'm meteorologist Bill Murray. And some rainfall is in our forecast, along with some cold temperatures. When you say that in the South, in Alabama, in the winter, you begin to wonder, well, maybe, probably not, but we'll look at it anyway. 30,000 feet, little trough of low pressure over Alabama, giving us some of those clouds, combining with a return flow off of the Atlantic and the Gulf of Mexico, thanks to high pressure centered near New York City this morning, giving us that cloudiness that sort of worked its way in here yesterday. Thickened overnight. It'll be sort of variable today, tending toward the more cloudy side, but there'll be some breaks in the clouds, especially in the afternoon, and especially to the southeast of I-59. And temperatures today will be mild. We'll look for temperatures to be around 60 to 64 degrees in the I-20 corridor, maybe upper 50s to the north of that, lower middle 60s to the south. But all in all, a very pleasant day across Alabama. There could be a few showers, and I really kind of missed that. I skipped right over that. A few showers this morning into the afternoon, but I think they'll be light and spotty if we deal with them at all. I think most of the day is dry. Moving out to Monday at noon, still a few showers hanging around in the area. They'll continue tonight into tomorrow. That's kind of the weather word. That rainfall is not going to be significant. Tomorrow, though, going to be a very pleasant day, at least temperature-wise, calling for 68 here in Birmingham, 68 to 70 across the I-20 corridor, middle and upper 60s to the north, lower and middle 70s to the south. Places like Montgomery could hit 74, could be 77 in Dothan. So all in all, a very nice Monday, just a few scattered showers and a mostly cloudy day with some breaks in the clouds. Now, Monday night, showers begin to increase in front of a cold front, a very strong cold front that'll be pushing our way, be moving into northwestern Arkansas by Monday evening. It'll be in northwest Alabama by Tuesday morning and slicing through the state very slowly, but rainfall will ramp up starting Monday night, especially after midnight into Tuesday morning, continuing during the day, and temperatures will be falling steadily through the day over northwestern sections. That front should reach the I-20 corridor probably, or the I-59 corridor probably somewhere around noon. Temperatures falling quickly into the 50s behind it, into the 40s within a few hours. But the interesting development really is the amount of rainfall that develops behind the frontal system. This is Wednesday at 9 a.m., showing some of the heaviest rain yet to fall coming along and near that front to the south of it. Across central and south central Alabama. Now, that cold air is awfully close at that point. We're looking for temperatures in Birmingham to be probably in the lower 40s about that time. They'll be low to mid 30s over northwestern Alabama. So that's a very close call, and one will be keeping a very close eye on it. But for right now, we think there shall be no significant wintry weather accumulation across Alabama. A little different story to the north. Good amount of snow across western Tennessee, northern Arkansas, even into portions of extreme northern Mississippi, across southern Kentucky. Some of the heaviest snowfall could fall there in southeastern Kentucky. This is between now and Thursday morning, and that's the accumulated snow. But you see for us here in Alabama, no expectation of any problems here. High pressure moves in behind that front. We turn cool and dry. Wednesday's a raw day in any case. Highs only in the 40s at the best. Thursday, not much better. Low 50s probably for highs, but at least it will be dry. But rain comes back pretty quickly. Strong upper level disturbance moves across, probably mostly on Friday, giving us a fairly good chance of rain again. Nothing really terribly significant, but there will be that rain that we'll deal with. And the QPF between now and Saturday looks fairly significant for areas just north of I-20 if that heavier band of rainfall sets up. Most folks are going to be somewhere in the 1 to 1.25 inch range, but there could be a little band 1.25 to 2 inch rainfall there across Tuscaloosa, southern Walker, into Jefferson, up into Blunt, on into northeast Alabama, sort of following I-59 there. Now this is, the official WPC forecast. If it plays out, that'd be interesting. But this does look like a little more of a potential soaker than we thought we were going to deal with. Now, voodoo territory going out to the evening of Saturday the 21st. That looks stormy. Low pressure centered north of Nashville. Temperatures to the south of the front in the 70s. And, of course, a sharp cold front coming in behind it. I didn't look at any particulars there, but I think that has a stormy look for sure. We were talking about rainfall. Most of us getting the prospects of, an inch or so of rain, maybe as much as 2 inches. We can use it. At Birmingham, 90-day rainfall pattern, you remember all the strong drought signal that we had there. September through October, it finally began to change. Late October into early November, we went into a surplus. We kind of dipped back into a deficit there around mid-November. But then we came back ahead of it. But, again, going to these feast and famine periods here, and we're getting dry again. And still have that area of persistent drought, especially over south central Alabama down around Chilton County. Well, that's your weather video for this Sunday, December the 8th. Have notes on the blog. Don't forget to watch Weather Brains tomorrow night. We're going to be talking to the producers and participants. A great film about Dauphin Island, Alabama. The effects of hurricanes, climate change, sea level rise, how they're adapting, and sort of what they're dealing with on that barrier island along the Alabama coast. It'll be a fascinating show, I promise you that. But until I get to sit here next Sunday, as I always tell you, keep an eye to the sky, because you'll always have something fun to look at.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.